This bugger's huge.
Where is he from?
You got me.
That's well, yeah, guys, walk across the road.
Yup. Walking right across the road here.
Taking a video.
Yeah. That thing's huge.
Where is this? Where did he come from?
I have no idea. I thought it was a statue at
I
first.
did too.
Because he was just sitting so... Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
You caught that,
Yeah.
didn't you?
Wild turkey right there.
Where's we get a wild turkey?